Hey everyone, welcome back to. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting motorcycle reviews, news, and more. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. We've got something amazing lined up for you today, so buckle up because we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated bikes of 2026, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX4 RR. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX4 RR is here, and it's set to redefine the sport bike market in 2026. This incredible machine brings an entirely new level of performance, technology, and style, blending the iconic features of the Ninja family with cutting-edge advancements. Today we're going to take a detailed look at the ZX4 RR, from its engine and design to its riding experience and advanced features. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes the Ninja ZX4 RR one of the most exciting bikes to hit the streets in 2026. So let's start with the basics. Kawasaki has long been known for its mastery of sport bike design, and the ZX4 RR is no exception. This motorcycle is not just another mid-size bike, it's a blend of aggressive performance and modern technology that's sure to turn heads both on and off the track. Engine and performance. Let's kick things off with the heart of the Ninja ZX4 RR, the engine. Underneath the bodywork, this bike features a 399cc inline-4 engine, marking a return to the high-revving, smooth, and powerful engine characteristics that have made Kawasaki's four-cylinder bikes so beloved over the years. This new engine architecture is tuned for performance, not just for daily riding, but for the thrill-seeker who wants to push limits. With a redline pushing close to 16,000 RPM, the Ninja ZX4 RR promises an exhilarating ride with exceptional top-end power. When you twist the throttle, it responds instantly, delivering a punch that will keep you grinning from ear to ear. Now, if you're wondering about horsepower, the ZX4 RR pumps out around 80 to 90 horsepower, depending on the specific tuning and model updates Kawasaki might throw in closer to the release. That power is enough to keep you in the fast lane, while also offering some agility in the twisties. Whether you're on the highway or carving through the mountains, the ZX4 RR feels like it was made for speed. Of course, this bike wouldn't be the complete performance package without some serious torque. The ZX4 RR's torque curve is designed to deliver strong mid-range pull, making overtaking on highways or track days that much easier. It's the kind of engine that sings at high revs, making sure every gear shift feels like a victory lap. Next up, let's talk about the chassis and suspension, because a bike's handling is just as important as its power, right? The ZX4 RR boasts a lightweight aluminum perimeter frame that's both stiff and flexible where needed, ensuring you get an incredibly stable and responsive ride. Whether you're braking hard or leaning into a corner, the frame holds up under pressure, allowing you to push this bike to the limit with confidence. To keep things even more precise, Kawasaki has equipped the Ninja ZX4 RR with fully adjustable front and rear suspension. The front suspension comes in the form of a 41mm Showa SFFBP separate function fork big piston fork, which is designed to offer excellent feedback and fine-tuned control over bumps, high-speed cornering, and everything in between. In the rear, Kawasaki has fitted the ZX4 RR with a horizontal backlink Showa shock absorber. This setup provides great ride comfort, while also offering the type of stability you need when diving into corners at speed. Whether you're on a track or hitting the daily commute, the suspension is more than up to the task. The bike also comes with an advanced braking system, featuring dual 290mm front discs paired with a single 220mm rear disc. Combined with the incredibly grippy tires, the ZX4 RR has more than enough stopping power to keep things safe at high speeds. Now, let's talk about how the ZX4 RR looks and feels to ride. Kawasaki has crafted a machine that looks as fast as it rides. The sharp, angular lines give the ZX4 RR a distinct and aggressive appearance that carries on the legacy of the Ninja brand. The bike features a full LED headlight setup with a dynamic design that gives the bike a futuristic edge while still paying homage to its track-ready roots. In terms of ergonomics, Kawasaki has balanced sportiness and comfort. The seat height is set at a manageable level, making it accessible to a wide range of riders, and the footpeg positioning ensures that you can ride aggressively when the time comes, but still feel comfortable for long-distance riding. If you're an everyday commuter, you'll find the seat ergonomics easy to work with, while track riders will appreciate the aggressive stance and precise controls. For riders looking for customization options, the ZX4 RR will come with a range of accessories, including adjustable handlebars, custom seat options, and more. Kawasaki has made sure that whether you're racing, riding casually, or just showing off at your local cafe, the Ninja ZX4RR fits your style. One of the most exciting aspects of the ZX4RR is its integration of cutting-edge technology. Kawasaki has equipped this bike with a full-color TFT display that provides riders with key information such as speed, gear position, RPM, and real-time performance data. The display is also smartphone compatible, allowing you to track your riding data through Kawasaki's Rideology app, which can sync with your phone to give you deeper insights into your riding habits and performance statistics. Another standout feature is Kawasaki's KTRC, Kawasaki Traction Control System. This system is designed to keep you connected to the road, offering 3 levels of intervention to keep traction in check, especially during harsh acceleration or slippery conditions. Whether you're on a track or in the rain, the KTRC system ensures you stay in control. For riders who want even more performance enhancements, the ZX4RR also comes with electronic throttle valves, which contribute to smoother power delivery and better throttle response. This feature, along with the bike's 6-axis IMU inertial measurement unit, allows the ZX4RR to deliver superb cornering stability and optimize braking performance. Let's not forget about the full suite of safety features: ABS anti-lock braking system, a slipper clutch, and a quickshifter for seamless upshifts. All of these work together to ensure that riders have the most connected, responsive, and safe riding experience possible. Now, with all of these features, you might be wondering, how much is this beast going to set you back? While prices can vary depending on region, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX4 RR is expected to come in at a premium price for a 400cc bike, likely starting around the $9,000 and to $10,000 mark. Given the level of technology, performance, and design Kawasaki has packed into this machine, it's a reasonable price, especially considering that it competes with other high-performance bikes that are priced significantly higher. As for availability, Kawasaki is expected to release the ZX4 RR globally in the spring of 2026. The bike will be available in various color schemes, from classic Kawasaki green to sleek black and silver combinations. So, what do we think about the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX4 RR? It's an absolute game-changer in the sport bike world. The blend of power, technology, and refinement is what makes this bike so exciting. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for a machine that can handle the track, or someone looking for a thrilling street bike that also has top-tier tech, the ZX4 RR seems to check all the boxes. With its aggressive styling, advanced electronics, high-performance engine, and cutting-edge features, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX4 RR is one of the most exciting bikes on the market. It's a bike that not only delivers performance, but does so with a level of refinement and technology that's sure to please any enthusiast. And if you're looking for more in-depth reviews, detailed breakdowns, and all the latest motorcycle news, make sure you're subscribed too. We've got plenty more content like this coming your way. That's it for today's review of the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX4 RR. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, and if you have any thoughts or questions about the ZX4 RR, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing your opinions. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for all the latest updates in the world of motorcycles. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle twisted.